Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to post a story or a content on a blog. So uh, I, I always recommend you guys to have this browser, this Mises browser. You tap it, right? Once you tap it, then you can move to the address box, right? You tap there, then you can just type blogger.com. You see it, then you hit your enter key, then you wait. So it is going to take you to your dashboard, right? That's if you already have an account. So what you're going to do here is that you make sure that you know the email that you use to create the blog, right? So you can come to this place, right? Then you select the email, right, that you use to create the blog. So and I think I use this, so I'll just tap this. That's only if you have many emails, right? So the email that I use to create the blog, that's the one that I selected. So the next thing that you're going to do is that you can just come to these three lines, that's the menu or options. You tap it, right? Once you tap it, then you go to this drop down arrow, this one, right? You tap it, right? So the next thing you're going to do is to select the topic, right? This is the name of my blog, sorry. So I'll just tap it. It is going to take me to my blog directly. So you see, this is the first story. This is the first story. This is the first story that I created. That was 5 days ago, and the story has like 125 views, and there are 13 comments, right? So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to I already generated a story, so I'm going to share the story. So what you're going to do is to come down there. You see, you come down. If you come down here, you see a plus sign here, right? This plus sign, I want you guys to tap it, right? When you tap it, it's going to show you creating a new post. So this is what you're going to see. You're going to create a new post. So now I'm going to post the story right here. I've already created the story, so just going to post it. So what I'm going to do here is just to long press. I'll just long press here. Then I will select paste. You understand? You see, this is the story, right? Right? This is the story, right? So I'm going to do some a little editing. So I'm going to type the title of the story here. So I'll just paste it here. That's the title, right? This is the subheading of the story. If you look at this, so now I'm going to bold it. So how do you bold it? You come back to this place, you press and hold, then you highlight it, right? So and then you come up here, you select the B here to bold it. You understand? Select the B here, you see it is bolded, right? So and for this, the first part, this one, you are expected to to let's select all and then justify the test. You select all, then we justify the test. How do we do that? Then we come to this place. Uh, let me see this now. So we are going to highlight all the text like this. I'll just select all, then I will go up there here, that three dot that is there, or just tap it. Then after you tap it, then you come to this drop down, you tap it, then you select justify, right? You tap it. So once you tap it, you're going to see, you see the way how the whole write-up is justified, it looks good. You understand? You see the way how it looks good. So now the next thing that we're going to look at is the images. Now we are going to put some images for visualizations. So in a small village called Riverview, surrounded by a green hills and a river, live two kids named Rohan and Rhea. So now we're going to go and look for and ask an AI to generate an image for this. So I'm gonna ask the AI to generate an image for this story. So I'll just hit send. So the AI is working on generating the image. So you see the AI has generated an image. For me, I will just tap it and then save it, right? I'll tap it and then save it, right? So um, I will just go back to my blog, right? So this is where most of you are asking me your questions of how to generate an image. I already generated the image, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to move. You see, this is my cursor. You see my cursor is blinking there. I'll bring it to the center. You see the cursor, right? You see the cursor, right? I'll bring it to the center. I'll just keep typing. I'll just keep pressing the space bar, pressing the space bar, right? So as you can see, then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move to this place. You see this, right? So I'm going to bring, then I'll select upload from the computer, right? I'll just tap upload from the computer, right? Upload from the computer. So you're just gonna have to wait a bit. So you will see it says browse, right? It says browse, so I'm going to browse it. Just tap it like this. Then I select media picker. Then I will select this image. That's the one that is generated from the AI, right? Then I have to wait. So you see the image here, right? So if you look at it very well, you see the image, right? You hit a bit enter to make it look good. So you see how it looks altogether. So this is how to put the image in the middle of your story, right? So I'm going to add another image here, right? You see I'm taking the cursor to the center, right? So I'll just move ahead and then come to this three dot and select the image from the computer. That's from my phone. Okay. So now you see I've uploaded another image, right? Altogether. So this is how you're going to be doing it. So I don't think if that is difficult things to do. So I'm gonna add another image here. I'll move the cursor the right. Yeah, so the cursor is at the center. Then I'll just move up. I'll move up to three dots. Then select the image, upload from the phone, and then browse media picker. Then I'll select the image. Then we wait. So now if you go down, you're going to see, so you see this is the image, right? So that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to preview. You come to this place and preview, right? You preview how the story is going to look. So you see, this is the preview. This is how my readers are going to see. You understand? So I think to me it's okay. Maybe I'll just take this thing to the center a bit. I'll just go back. So I'm going to take this subtitle to the center like this, and that's it. I'll just tap publish here. Then confirm. So you see, I have published their story there. So once you're done with the posting, so the next thing you're going to do is to share it. So you can tap this share button, right? You tap it. So it is going to show you emails, SMS, WhatsApp. If you like, you can tap more. So it is going to show you Facebook and other places. If you want to share it, you can just tap it and then share it all together. Or if you like, you can just copy. You can copy the URL and share it to whatever times or to whatever people that you want to share the content to. So that's it about the blog, creating a blog post. So I see you soon.